bam, fam. Welcome to Everyday Living with C&D, and today we are making Southern Fried Catfish, guys, with the homemade tartar sauce. So I need you guys to stay tuned. It's going down AMC, and we are about to get it in. All right, guys? This is going to be some of the best catfish you ever had with the Southern spice for your Southern Fried Catfish. Let's get your ingredients together, guys. You're going to start off with some cornmeal, flour. All right, you're gonna need some cayenne pepper. Boom, bam. Give it a little spice. You're gonna need some onion powder. Guys, get your garlic salt. Okay? And then we gotta use that Zatarain, baby. It's going down. Use the Zatarain. You're gonna need some cooking oil and definitely some hot sauce. Egg and Cajun Sparkle. So if you go to Popeyes, hey, when you get your chicken, ask them for the Cajun Sparkle package. That's gonna be our little spark to give it a little flavor. Bam! Boom! All right, and now we are moving into what you need for that homemade tartar sauce. It's gonna taste so good, you don't need to get it from the store, baby. You got the ingredients right there in your house. So get you some mayonnaise, baby. Get you a lemon. Get you some relish and some dill. If you have some dill, I want you to use that as well. Bam! Boom! And then what we finally need for this catfish is some good catfish, baby. Get it from the Gulf, get it from the ocean, get it from your store. We're making Southern Fried Catfish. Y'all stay with me now. Boom, bam!
Hey, say I'm the beast, the largest. Bitch, get the luscious, my mama say them in the party. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm the largest, the biggest, the largest. Carry my riches for hard times. These niggas just like.
All right, so we are getting ready to make our little dredge station right here. This is what I like to call it. Bam. So you're gonna take your cornmeal, all right, and take about, based on the amount of fish you have, we got some small catfish fillet, so you'll use about a cup cornmeal, and then you're gonna take a cup of flour, guys. So you're gonna get that flour. It's not a cup, that's a half a cup, so we'll get 2 of those. Boom, bam. We're gonna add a little more cornmeal, guys. And this is gonna be our mixing station, man. It's about to go down. All right, so this is it. We mix the cornmeal with the flour to give it a nice southern crunch, a nice southern flavor. And then I like to season my mix right here. This is gonna be our dredge. So season it with a little Zatarain. Boom to the bam, bam, boom. All right, boom, bam, fam. Tell me if y'all guys are enjoying this. All right. Okay, and then you're gonna get your garlic salt. So we like the parsley that's in this. We wanna give it just a little bit of greenery on there, make it look pretty and pop. So we're gonna do a little garlic salt. Don't do too much, bam. Then we're gonna do the onion powder with this mix. Okay, guys? Get your onion powder, sprinkle it about a teaspoon. Boom, bam. And then I like mine a little spicy. So we're gonna hit them with a little cayenne, just a little bit, a little dash. And then here comes the secret ingredient, guys. I want you guys to go to Popeyes and ask for that Cajun Sparkle, baby. When you get your chicken, when you get your sandwich, get that Cajun Sparkle. You probably don't know about this. I'm putting you guys on game, but if you do know, let me know if you know about that Cajun Sparkle. Put it in the comments. I'm gonna take some of that Cajun Sparkle, baby, and drop it in the mix, baby. And this is gonna give it a nice little Cajun flavor, a nice little Cajun spice. It tastes so good. This is gonna make it be so good and pretty. Now we're going to add a little Zatarain on our catfish fillets. A little bit. So just season it up, guys. Just want it to look like this. Do the front and back. Boom, bam. Bam to the boom. Just want to make sure you got a nice little seasoning on there. Bam to the boom. Season up the back. Don't do too much seasoning, guys. All right, and then we're gonna do the back. So, for my beginner cooks, when you're seasoning fish, you don't need a lot of seasoning, guys. You don't need to just overly coat it. Don't cook it like you're cooking ground beef or steak. Seasoning or chicken. Seasoning for fish is really light. For seafood is light. You don't need a lot to get the flavor into it, or you're gonna make it overly salty and it's not gonna be good. So this is about the most you need. So we are going to take our little dry mix right here, shake it around a little bit. You wanna make sure you got your flour with your cornmeal and your seasonings looking pretty and nice. We got our egg wash right here. This is our dipping station. And then we got our pretty catfish, baby, okay? So first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna drop it in the flour, get it all nice and pretty. All right. And then once you do that, you're gonna dip it in the egg. And then we're gonna dip it one more time, guys. And I like to just, you know, boom, bam, toss it on there like that. Get it all filled up, all nice and pretty. Yeah, it's looking good. And fill it up, baby. Make it look nice. And once again, just like when you cooking anything fried, you want to get those little ridges on there. That's how you know you got that flour, that mix, that cornmeal, all nice on this catfish. So we're gonna sit this on the plate and we're gonna work on our next piece, baby. So for those who have been waiting, who love that spicy food, if you're from the South and you like some Southern food, I'm half from Houston, I'm half Louisiana, so I like that Cajun flavor, baby. We're gonna add some red hots to this mix, baby. Boom, bam, boom. Come with me now. Boom, bam, boom, bam. Now you're gonna take this egg wash, mix it up, and now we're about to drop our fish in this, baby. Coat it in that hot sauce egg wash mix. Then you going over to the flour and you're gonna hit it. So hit it with the egg wash first. Hit it with the flour. We're doing this one a little different. So this one is reversed. So for the hot fish, if you want it a little spicy, we're gonna hit it with the egg wash first. Then we're gonna come over to the dry rub, okay? And hit it. And we just wanna make sure every part is covered up with that spicy. Yeah, look at that. It's ridged up nice and pretty. We're about to do the oil test. So make sure you have your oil between 3 and 5. And now we're about to, hey, just throw a little bit on your glove or what's on your hand, a little of that flour. When you see that sizzle, baby, it means it's ready to go. Let's get this fish going down, baby. Baby, you ready for me to drop it down?
Of course.
All right, so we about to drop this fish in here, all nice and pretty. Look at this, it's going down.
Oh yeah.
Bam, boom, and we're gonna turn it down to 3. We don't want it to cook too fast. And we're gonna put the next piece in there. This is our hot, spicy Louisiana fried fish. Right there with that hot sauce, baby. And we're gonna cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Baby, let me know what you think about this.
It smells good already in here. Look at that, y'all. That's what we like.
Oh yeah, that's good. Come on. Guys, look. My boom bam fam. Look at this catfish, baby. Perfect. Perfect. Bam! Boom. This is perfectly fried. Looking so good. We're gonna sit it right here. While you making this recipe, and this is like a little nugget. Hey, we're gonna hit it. Baby.
Okay.
Look at this. Y'all ready for this? Look.
I want that.
Man. And this is that spicy with that hot sauce. I'm gonna give y'all a taste test, so y'all stay tuned. If you're not making catfish like this, I don't know what you're doing. I need you to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me now so that you can get all the hottest recipes because it's going down. I'm gonna show you how I do it Southern style, baby. Now we about to hit them We're gonna move it over here, and then we about to hit y'all with these last little pieces, baby. It's going down. Put it between 3 and 5 and just lay it in there.
That's what you want your oil to look like, everybody, when you put your fish in.
And that's D, baby. That's my wife talking, so she give y'all a little game on this catfish frying. All right. This is the old school Southern Fried Fish. It looks pretty, guys. All right, we're gonna put it over here and let it drain. And then we're gonna pick up our next piece, flip it. Yeah, baby. So, for your tartar sauce, we're gonna start with the relish. Get you about a tablespoon or 2 of relish. And you can use the sweet or the just basic relish. You know, it doesn't have to be sweet relish. Now you're going to get your mayo and take about a tablespoon of that, and then you're going to mix that in together, guys. We're going to mix it in. Look at that, baby. Our tartar sauce is coming together so nice and pretty. It's kind of flying over here. But look at this. Yeah, this is some homemade tartar sauce. Then, we don't have any dill, but if you have some dill seasoning or some fresh dill, you would put a little bit of dill in here, and that's gonna really make it pop and taste like that fresh tartar sauce. So then you're gonna take your lemons here and hit them with the boom, bam. Squeeze them lemons on there, all nice. Mix it up. Guys, look at this. We have just made homemade tartar sauce. It's easy, it's good, and this is how they do it in the restaurants, baby. This is how they do it in the store. What you buying it for when you can make it fresh until your taste. Our Southern Fried Catfish is ready. It's good to go, and we're about to do a taste test. We got one piece here. It's looking nice and pretty. Is it good? Yeah, it's good. Y'all say, see, is it good? I'm about to tell you, I know it's good. Here is our tartar sauce that we made from scratch. We got a little lemon here, and then here's our catfish. I'm about to go in and give it a taste test and let you guys know if this thing is good. If you really want to hit it with some spice, if you got that, you know, that Cajun sparkle from Popeyes, you can put a little bit on your fish. All right. So first thing I'm gonna do is taste the tartar sauce, because I want to give you guys a reaction to that. Oh man, that's good. It's a little tart, but it's tickling my throat a little bit, but it's good. All right, make sure when you do this, you don't overpower it with relish, because the goal is not for it to taste like a hot dog, okay? And then put your dill in there, all right? So now we're gonna taste the fish. This is the star of the show. It's looking pretty. It's crunchy. Man, look at this fish. I want y'all to take a look at this. This is a nice solid piece. It's not breaking up, it's looking pretty. And now we're about to squeeze this lemon all on top. So get a shot of this fish. I'm about to squeeze it on top. Look at that lemon dropping. Boom, bam. You know you got to have that lemon on that catfish, baby. All right. And now I'm about to go in for the test. And this is without hot sauce. Okay. We're gonna take a piece here. Y'all can look, this is a thin piece, but take a look at the fish. All right, well, let's get it. Oh man, the flavor is popping. The crush is hitting. I love the mix of the cornmeal and the flour. And now let's dip it in this tartar sauce. Oh man, this fish is perfect. It's good. It's popping. It's flavorful. and got that nice crunch to it. If you want to turn it up a notch, you can put that hot sauce on top. Now we're gonna take some tartar sauce, dab it on there, baby. Dab it on there, baby. Right? And now, I'm about to just eat this with my hand. Okay. Southern Fried Catfish. Appreciate the Boom Bam fam joining us on Everyday Living with C&D. Tell me what you think about this Southern Fried crispy, spicy catfish with the homemade tartar sauce. I'm bringing it to you guys. Leave a comment, drop it, and don't forget to subscribe for all of the great Southern recipes that we bring to you guys. Join the Boom Bam fam. Thank you, and we appreciate all our new subscribers. Let's go.
Oh, damn,